ठीक है? Okay. So good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon once again. I hope all of you, I hope all of you remember what. Yeah. Okay, just give me a minute. Okay, it is fine now. So good afternoon, everyone. So I hope all of you remember what we have studied in last class. Tell me, all of you remember what we studied in last class? Yes, no? Revision किया था हमने, है ना? हमने dot product पढ़ा था, right? Yes, very good, है ना? So I hope everyone remember what we studied in yesterday's class. सबको समझ में आया था? ठीक है? सबको समझ में आया था? Yes. Okay. Okay. Very good. So how many of you actually joined the group? Tell me. I hope all of you have joined the group. Guys, let us see what is the doubt in example 2.4. Two vectors given, vector A and vector B is given, right? Find the vector having same magnitude as B and parallel to A. Think about it. Same magnitude as B, same magnitude as B. First of all, find the magnitude of B, na? Find the magnitude of B. It is 25, yes or no? हाँ या ना? हाँ या ना? Clear? समझ में आ रहा है? And parallel to A. What is the meaning of parallel to A? Tell me, what is the meaning of parallel to A? Anyone? Means having same direction, yes or no? Having same direction. Agree? Yes, very good, Suhan. Now, same direction. Don't you think the same direction means unit vector? Hayana. Same direction just means unit vector, but because unit vector is basically, what is a unit vector? Unit vector is the direction vector, yes or no? Hayana. So a unit vector will represent the direction of A. So this is a unit vector and magnitude of B is 25. So the required vector is 25 into 8. 25 into A cap. क्लियर हुआ सबको? विवेक क्लियर हुआ ये? टेल मी विवेक, इज इट क्लियर विवेक? ओके, राइट, सिंपल समझो. यूनिट वेक्टर का मतलब ही होता है डायरेक्शन वेक्टर. ओके, नाउ 2.4 आई गेस 2.4 तक हो गया होगा. 2.1 सबका 2.1 बन गया. 2.1 इजी प्रॉब्लम्स थे, है कि नहीं? 2.1 वाज द इजी वार्म अप प्रॉब्लम्स, राइट? एवरीवन कैन सॉल्व, राइट? है ना? सो छोटे मोटे कॉन्सेप्ट्स क्लियर हो गए होंगे. See, acid problems, it will take hardly 20-25 minutes. Tell me, 2.1 hardly कितना time लिया, right? है ना? Just practice. You have to solve. ठीक है? Right? Warm up kind of problems. ठीक है? These are the warm up kind of problems. Yes, exactly. Very good. Now, addition of two vectors we have done. Any doubt in these examples? Tell me. Any doubt in these examples? Till 2.7, 2.8? Tell me. Any doubt till 2.8? Example 2.8? Yes, no? Tell me, these are the very basic formula, ना? Formula putting getting. हम लोगों ने ऐसा क्वेश्चन कर रखा है कि नहीं? We have already covered this problems, है ना? Very good, right? Okay, so this is polygon law. This we have done. Now, what is wrong with this? Tell me, what is wrong with this? It should be this, yes or no? This representation is wrong. Agree? This representation is wrong, right? It should be vector sign over here. ठीक है? समझ में आया? Right, arrow sign. Yes, very good, Sampada. Arrow sign should be there, right? So see, यहाँ पे क्या है ना, बुक में generally arrow sign, ठीक है, arrow sign को यहाँ पे ignore ही कर दिया है, लिखा ही नहीं है, typing error है, ठीक है? This is a typing error. Got it? Because there should be arrow sign. Okay, right? समझ में आया? So there's a error in this. There's a typing error everywhere. There's a typing error. ठीक है? तो ध्यान देना है, तुम्हारा concept सही होना चाहिए, ठीक है? Okay. Now, till 2.15, I guess everyone understood this, है ना? Okay. Subtraction of two vector we have done. So till 2.15, everyone, I guess everyone got this, है ना? Example 2.10, ठीक है? 2.10 example देखता हूँ मैं. 2.10, 2.10. So see, this is 2.10, है ना? This is 2.10. Now tell me, what I can do? Can you just get all the x component, y component, हाँ या ना? Right? Okay. Okay, Sampada, just give me a minute. We will complete one topic, right? After that, it will be easy. Even though it is easy now, you can think about it, right? And we have done it. But let me specifically teach that, right? Let me specifically teach that, then try to find out. Okay, then try to find out. Okay. Okay. So the next topic that we are going to study, actually we have already studied that, but we didn't study it as a specific topic. Okay. The topic is resolution of vectors. Resolution of vectors. Now, actually we have already studied this. Starting में हमने कर लिया था. But क्योंकि नाम नहीं पता है ना, और शायद हम लोगों ने specifically use नहीं किया था. Okay, that's why you might be getting confused, or you might be getting how to solve and all those things. Okay, so let us try to see this. This is your x-axis, y-axis, right? This is your x-axis, y-axis. And suppose this is a vector. Now, let me just tell me, did we do this? Did we solve this, right? Suppose this angle is theta. Everyone, just let me know कि हमने ये किया था कि नहीं किया था. Okay, now this is theta, so this is A, this is B, right? Suppose this is C. What is AB, guys? Tell me, what is AB? What is AB? What is the length of AB? Everyone, tell me. What is the length of AB? Batao, what is the length of AB? Very good, Samarth, very good. है ना? And suppose AC is given as R. AC का vector R है. So the magnitude of R vector is equal to R, right? तब बताओ, AB is equal to AC cos theta. Very good, right? And AC is R. So can I say, sir, AB is equal to R cos theta? Did we do this? Tell me, हाँ या ना? Did we do this? Easy है, हम लोगों ने ये ऑलरेडी कर रखा है ना? Right? कोई नया चीज नहीं है, What about CB? Tell me, what about CB? What about CB? Very good, Snigdho, very good. It is R sin theta. Very good. Easy है. Tell me, यहाँ तक सबको समझ में आ रहा है? बहुत easy, right? सर ये तो already पढ़ा हुआ है सर, है ना? हमने कंप्लीट में तोड़ दिया. Now, can I write AC vector? Think about it. Can I write AC vector is equal to AB vector I cap plus BC vector j cap? हाँ या ना? AB I cap plus BC j cap. AB I cap plus BC j cap, which is basically X I cap plus Y j cap. हाँ या ना? Yes or no? Sir, because AB and BC are the components only, that's it. Yes or no? So I can say, sir, if I'm having an R vector, it can be written as R cos theta I cap plus R sin theta j cap, where theta is the angle between x-axis and your vector. Yes or no? हाँ या ना? क्लियर हो गया? हाथ उठा दो. क्लियर हो गया? हाथ उठा दो. जिसको इसको समझ में आ गया हाथ उठा दो. जिसको नहीं समझ में आया मैसेज कर दो. दैट्स इट, राइट? ठीक है. ये ना उल्टा होता है जूनियर क्लासेस में ना, जूनियर क्लासेस में मुझे बोलना पड़ता है, guys don't speak, message, right? They keep on saying, है ना? और सीनियर क्लासेस में मुझे बोलना पड़ता है, प्लीज बोलो, right? ठीक है. Okay, now so what is this? What is the meaning of resolution vector? Tell me, अगर तुमसे पूछा जाए what's the meaning? So it is basically writing into components. Yes or no? हाँ या ना? Writing a vector into components, as simple as that. Agree? बस वही है सर जो हम लोगों ने ऑलरेडी कर रखा है ना? Okay, now let us do one thing. Let us try to use it, right? Sir, where it will be used, है ना? Where it will be used? कहाँ use कहाँ करेंगे? So let us see where it can be used. Suppose I'm having this coordinate plane and I'm having two vectors. Think about it. Everyone, think about it. This is vector A. Everyone, think about it. This is vector R1. This is vector R1. So the magnitude of R1 is basically, suppose 10, right? And the angle that R1 makes, theta 1, the angle that R1 makes with this x-axis is suppose your 30 degree, 30 degree. ठीक है, सबको समझ में आ रहा है? Step by step, हाँ या ना? हाँ या ना? Right? Okay, right? So can I say what is R1? Tell me what is R1? R1 vector. Can I say that, sir? It is R cos theta I cap plus R sin theta j cap. हाँ या ना? Right? Yes or no? So basically R1 vector is equal to 10 cos 30 degree I cap plus 10 sin 30 degree j cap. Step by step, everyone, step by step. Okay, very good. Very well done. So R1 vector, now we know, sir, what is cos 30? It's root 3 by 2. Ten into root 3 by 2 I cap plus 10 into 1 by 2 j cap. So I guess all of you getting this? हाँ या ना? So क्या हो गया? So it is 5 root 3 I cap plus 5 j cap. R1 vector. Clear है? So if any vector is given in the form of magnitude and angle, है ना? Right? I can say, sir, if any vector is given, yes, Vivek, you can write in the next your notebook, right? है ना? Right? Notebook में लिखते जाओ, right? After the class, just follow the notes and make a good notes. ठीक है? Right? But focus on understanding first, right? लिखते जाओगे तो better रहेगा, but अगर नहीं लिख पा रहे हो उतना fast, I request everyone to keep on writing. It will save time and then revise and write the missing part after the class. ठीक है? अगर कुछ miss हुआ था, because anyways I'll be sending the recordings as well as the notes. ठीक है? Now ये समझ में आ गया? Tell me, ये समझ में आ गया सबको? हाँ या ना? Okay. Now suppose I'm having another vector. Suppose I'm having another vector like this. ठीक है? Think about it. This is a vector R2. This is vector R2, right? And this is making angle. ठीक है, चलो, so ये समझ में आया, right? So again, other vector R2 is given and the magnitude of R2. Suppose the magnitude of R2 is again 10, and again 10. I'm just taking it for convenience. And this second angle is theta 2. Suppose the second angle is theta 2, and it is suppose 60 degree. It is your 60 degree. Can you find R2, guys? Tell me. Can you find R2 step by step? Can you find R2 vector? I'll give you 2 minutes, right? Try to find R2 vector. Try to find R2 vector. Okay, very good, Pragna. Very good. Hey, so I can just directly write now. Na? So it is R2, magnitude of R2. So I'm just writing R2. Cos theta 2, I cap. Very good, Afaq. Very good, Pragna. Very good, Samad. Plus R2, sin theta 2, J cap. Yes or no? Very good, Krish. Krish, IJ you missed. So it is 10 cos 60 degree, I cap. Very good, Samprita. 10 sin 60 degree, J cap. Very good, right? Very good. Anna, very good. Very good, Suhan. Very good, Samprita. Right? Very good, Reshma. So it is what? So cos 60 is 1 by 2. Very good, Samprita. So it is 10 into 1 by 2 I cap plus sin 60 is root 3 by 2. So 10 into root 3 by 2 J cap. So I guess all of you got the answer, which is 5 I cap plus 5 root 3 J cap. Hi, Anna. Terence, it is not same now. Do tell me, just tell me, R1 and R2 vector are same or different? R1 and R2 vector are same or different? Different now. So how can I take, right? Magnitude wise, they are same. Magnitude wise, they are same, but angle are different. Got it? And why I gave you the magnitude same, you will get to know because of the easy, right? Calculation would be easy. That's why I gave you 10. It can be anything else, right? Now think about it. Think about it. If I ask you, find R1 plus R2. Now, can you solve R1 plus R2 easily? Tell me. Can you solve R1 plus R2 easily? Ayana. Right? Yes or no? If I want to find what is R1 plus R2 vector, R1 plus R2 vector. Sir, what is R1 plus R2 vector? Sir, it is what? This is 5 root 3 I cap. This, it will be this plus 5 I cap. ठीक है? Plus 5 j cap plus 5 root 3 j cap. Yes or no? So it's basically 5 root 3 plus 5 I cap plus 5 root 3 j cap. अब समझ में आया? Tell me, अब समझ में आया? Why we use resolution of vectors? Because if we divide any component, if we divide any vector in component, it will be easier to add. हाँ है ना? It will be easier to add. Clear everyone? Clear? Okay, Devanand is here. Devanand. Devanand is there, right? Devanand, anyone? Or your parents' name? Because someone joined as Devanand, so if you don't clarify, I'll remove it. Okay, right? So I hope all of you understood what is a resolution of vector, right? I hope all of you understood what is a resolution of vector. Yes or no? Yeah, he's a student, right? I know. Devanand was a student, good student. Okay. Chalo, ठीक है. Okay. So this is clear. Very good, everyone. Now let us see question number 10 again. ठीक है? Let us see question number 10 again, right? So let us see question number 10. ठीक है, सबको ध्यान दो, सबको क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 ध्यान देगा, सबको क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 ध्यान देगा. ठीक है. Oh, wait guys, wait. It got disconnected. Yeah. चलो. अब question number 10. As I said, let us see question number 10. Now, how many vectors can you see in question number 10? Tell me. How many vectors can you see in question number 10? How many vectors? Everyone, tell me how many vectors can you see in question number 10? कितने vectors दिख रहे तुमको? 1, 2, 3, 3. Very good, everyone.
3.
3, na? Now, there's an easy way and there's a method, right? So first, let's talk about method. ठीक है? हम लोग पहले method देखते हैं. Okay? Right? Then there's an easy way also. Right? Your analytical approach or something called your shortcut. ठीक है? Right? Now think about it. Everyone, think about it. Find the resultant of the 3 vectors. What's the meaning of resultant, guys? Tell me, what's the meaning of resultant? पहले बताओ, resultant का मतलब क्या होता है? Tell me, what's the meaning of resultant? Guys, my OneNote got hanged. Okay, yeah. So, sir, resultant means initial or final point को जो connect करेगा, that is your resultant. Yes or no? Sum of all the, yes, final answer, final vector, or sum of all the vectors. So, can I say, sir, sum of all the vectors is nothing but this vector? Ayana, tell me. Can I say, sir, it is nothing but this vector? Right? Yes or no? Ayana. Okay, right? There's some issue with my one. I don't know what is up. Just give me a minute, guys. Okay, everyone focus over here, right? It started working. Okay. So suppose this is your x-axis, y-axis, this is your x-axis, this is your y-axis, right? Let us draw it, right? Let us draw the vector. Suppose this is your this first vector, है ना? This is your first vector. Okay, right? This is the first vector. Now the second vector is basically what? The second vector is basically this one. Yes or no? Yes or no? Right? Okay, this green one. है ना? And your third vector is basically which one? So the third vector is basically this one. Okay, so I'll just make it this one. Anyone have any doubt in this? Tell me, anyone have any doubt in this? Step by step. Anyone have any doubt in this? Very good, Krish. Now, see, first thing is, we have to find a vector. We have to find a vector, which is this. Now, you have two methods. Which is, one is, right, the analytical method. This is a vector. Okay, this blue line is the vector which we need to find. So I can do this. Okay, so I know that this is vector, the magnitude of this vector, I'll just name it as R1 vector. This is R2 vector, this is R3 vector. Yes or no? R1 vector, R2 vector, R3 vector. So I can say the vector which is required, resultant vector. I'll just say it as D vector, right? D vector. So I can say, sir, D vector is basically R1 vector plus R2 vector plus R3 vector. Yes or no? Concept one. Hi Anna. Yes or no? Step by step. हाँ, सबको समझ में आ रहा है? Sir, R1 plus R2 plus R3 is this D vector, this resultant vector. Now, what is R1 vector? Tell me, what is R1 vector? So R1 vector is R1 cos theta I cap plus R1 sin theta j cap. Hi Anna. Yes or no? Yes or no? Anyone have any doubt till this point? Tell me, anyone have any doubt till this point? Yes? Sir, we know, so theta is 45 and this is given as 5 root 2. So it is equal to 5 root 2 into cos 45 is also 1 by root 2 I cap plus 5 root 2 sin 45 is also 1 by root 2 j cap. So this will become 5 I cap plus 5 j cap. Anyone have any doubt in this? Step by step. Anyone have any doubt in this? Raise your hand. Anyone have any doubt in this? Raise your hand. Tell me. Anyone have any doubt in this? Raise your hand. यहाँ तक में किसी दिक्कत है? Tell me. यहाँ तक में किसी दिक्कत है? Okay. Right? Clear? Okay. What about R2 vector? Tell me यहाँ पे बताओ. R2 vector कितना है? What is R2 vector? R2 vector is equal to what? Sir, R2 vector तो ये है ना, x के along है. So can I say, sir, R2 vector is basically same thing, R2 cos theta I cap plus R2 sin theta j cap. But sir, theta is equal to what? X के along है. So theta is equal to 0. Yes or no? Here theta is equal to 0. Yes or no? Hi Anna. Theta 0 है sir, because ये तो x के along है. Theta is 0. And what is the magnitude of R2? So magnitude of R2 is 1. So don't you think, sir, it is 1 cos 0 degree I cap plus 1 sin 0 degree j cap. So this is basically equal to 1 I cap. Hi Anna. R2 vector is basically 1 I cap. Clear है? सबको समझ में आ रहा है? Hi Anna. Just 1 I cap. ठीक है? Just 1 I cap. And what is R3 vector? Tell me, what is R3 vector? Can I say, right, in the same way, sir, R3 vector is again, tell me, R3 vector is along y-axis, right? So I can say it is R3 cos theta I cap minus, sorry, plus R3 sin theta j cap. And here theta is 90 degrees. So it is, tell me, magnitude is 3. The magnitude is 3. It is given, sir. It is given. Magnitude 3 given. So 3, tell me, cos 90 degree I cap plus 3 into sin 90 degree j cap. So we know cos 90 is 0. We know cos 90 is 0. and sin 90 is equal to 1. So this is equal to 3j cap. हाँ या ना? So can we now add R1 plus R2 plus R3? हाँ या ना? Very good, John. Very good. है ना? Easy. Sir, now I can say so T vector is equal to R1 vector, which is 5i cap plus 5j cap plus R2 vector. R2 vector is, tell me, 1i cap plus R3 vector, which is 3j cap. Add it. So it will be what? 6i cap plus 8j cap. हाँ या ना? Easy enough. 6, 8 na? John 8. John 8, right? Anyone have any doubt in this? Tell me. Anyone have any doubt in this? Why R3 will be 0? Because see, cos 90 is 0 na? Sin 90 to 1 hota hai na? Right? Cos 90 is 0. So I component will be 0. But sin 90 value 1 hota hai. So it is 3j cap. 3j cap. ठीक है? Got it? बताओ, समझ में सबको आया? Right? Okay. रेशमा, clear? अब ये 2.10 समझ में आ गया ना? 2.10 समझ में आ गया? Yes or no? Now, what is the angle of resultant? Tell me, what is the angle of resultant? We know, sir, angle of resultant is basically what? Y component by X component. हाँ या ना? What is Y component, guys? Tell me. यहाँ पे Y component कितना है? What is the Y component over here? If it is 2 dimensional, it is Y component. What is Y component? 8. What is X component? 6. कितना आ गया? ठीक है? Done. Done. This is done. This is clear. So anyone have any doubt in resolution of vector? Tell me, anyone have any doubt in resolution of vector? Yes, so it is 53 degree. Very good, Afaq. Very good. You remember that. ठीक है? Very good. See, as I have told you, sorry, yeah. Right? Okay, thank you, Samprita. So this is the problem. The problem is, sir, I'm giving a vector, R vector, which is 2i cap plus 3j cap plus 5k cap. I want you to find what angle, right, it is making with x-axis. Angle between this vector and x-axis. And x-axis. So tell me, what is the vector representation of x-axis? What is the vector representation of x-axis? So can I say, sir, vector representation of x-axis, suppose R2 is a vector representation of x-axis. So this is just I cap. हाँ या ना? Tell me, हाँ या ना? Vector representation of x-axis, just I cap. Yes or no? Very good, very good, very good, Samad, very good, Afaq. है ना? Now, can you find angle between these two vectors? Think about it. X-axis मतलब क्या है? Vector है ना? Can you find the angle between these two vectors? हाँ या ना? हाँ या ना? How many of you remember, sir, we can find, what is that? So cos theta is equal to R1 dot R2 by mod of R1, right? Instead of mod, I'm always writing this blue color. Okay, mod of R1 into mod of R2. Ayana, what is R1 dot R2? Tell me, what is R1 dot R2? Everyone, what is R1 dot R2? Sir, we know, यहाँ पे सिर्फ I component है, means it is 0j plus 0k. Ayana, so it is I dot I only. So this is actually just 2. Ayana, because it is 0 into 3, 0 into 5. If you remember the concept that we studied in last class, yes or no? I dot I, yes, very good. And what is I dot I? So it is 1 into 2, 2 only. है ना? 1 into 2, 2 only. Clear? Clear? है ना? So what is magnitude of R1? Magnitude of R1 क्या है? Root of 2 square plus 3 square plus 5 square. This is equal to what? So 9 plus 13 plus 25. Right? So it is equal to what? 38. Root 38. 41 हो गया क्या? मैंने गलत कर दिया क्या कुछ? 9 plus 25. 9 plus 25. Tell me, 34 plus 4. 38 हुआ ना? ठीक है? ठीक है? Right? And what is magnitude of R2? सर ये तो यूनिट वेक्टर है सर. यूनिट वेक्टर मैग्नीट्यूड तो 1 ही होता है सर. तो बताओ आगे आंसर. टेल मी आगे आंसर. So 2 by 38 cos theta is equal to root by 38. That's it. Got it? समझ में सबको आ गया? हाँ है ना? अदनान, रोशनी, रेशमा, अगर तुमसे y axis में पूछे, y axis निकल जाएगा. So this is theta x. If I ask you what is cos theta y, tell me what is cos theta y. निकल जाए directly. What is cos theta y? Sir, अब cos theta y है तो यहाँ पे x की जगह क्या हो जाएगा? Tell me, y हो जाएगा. Very good, Samarth, है ना? Right, so it will be what? 3 divided by root 38. Yes or no? Because यहाँ पे 0 I cap plus 1 j cap हो जाएगा. And what is cos theta z? Cos theta z कितना हो जाएगा? So it is 5 divided by root 38. सबको समझ में आ गया? Tell me, सबको समझ में आया? ये समझ में आया कि नहीं आया? Tell me, ये समझ में आया कि नहीं आया? Clear? Very good, सुहान. सुहास समझ में आ रहा है? कृष, रोशनी, वेरी गुड. संपदा, ठीक है, वेरी गुड. एनीवन हैव एनी डाउट इन दिस? अब समझ में आ गया कि 2 डायमेंशन का कैसे निकालेंगे और 3 डायमेंशन कैसे निकालेंगे और रिजोल्यूशन ऑफ वेक्टर्स क्या होता है? Okay, right? So see here, when you talk about x component is just I cap plus 0 j cap plus 0 k cap. So r1 dot r2 is what? 2 I dot I dot I क्या होता है? 1 और 2 into 1 2 होता है. Now 3 into 0 0, 5 into 0 0, लिखने से होता है नहीं. Then r1 का magnitude we calculated है ना, by using the formula, right? Root of x component square plus y component square plus z component square, which is root of 2 square plus 3 square plus 5 square, which is root 38. Root 38 है ना, right? Root 38. No, 38 ना. Okay, it is 48 क्या? See, 25 plus 9 कितना होता है? 34 plus 4 38 ना. ठीक है गाइस, ये सब गलती नहीं करते हैं, है ना? ओके, ठीक है. गॉट इट सुप्तिका? ओके, ठीक है, सबको समझ में आ रहा है? So done, we are done with this. Are we done with this? Now try solving question number 2.19. Everyone try solving question number 2.19. I will give you 2.19. ठीक है, 2.19 सबको ट्राई करो, सबको सॉल्व करो. 2.19 गाइस, लेट अस सी. ठीक है, सबका आंसर अलग अलग आ रहा है, तो देखते हैं एक बार. ठीक है एवरीवन, है ना? लेट अस सी. सो स्टेप 1. सर फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल स्टार्ट विद राइटिंग द वेक्टर्स. अलग अलग वेक्टर्स में लिखूंगा. ठीक है. नाउ टेल मी दिस वन थिंग. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, this r1 vector is in which quadrant? Tell me. R1 vector is in which quadrant? Ayana, tell me step by step. R1 theta, guys. Okay. So R1 cos theta I cap and plus R1 sin theta j cap. Yes or no? Ayana. Step by step. Yes or no? Why I have written like this, sir? Because it is in first quadrant. R1 is first quadrant. This is in first quadrant. So दोनों positive है. So दोनों positive है ना? So R1 vector is what? R1 का magnitude से 5 दिया हुआ है और cos 37 degree given है. This is 5 sin 37 degree given है. Yes or no? Concept यहाँ पे है. Cos 37 का value given है. What is cos 37? 4 by 5. So 5 into 4 by 5 is just 4 I cap. हाँ या ना? Plus, right? Sin 37 is 3 by 5. So it is just 3 j cap. Everyone agree? R1 वेक्टर इज 4 i कैप प्लस 3 j कैप, हाँ या ना? हाँ चलो, हाँ या ना? सबको समझ में आ रहा है ये फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट वाला, राइट? In the same way, what is R2 vector? Tell me, what is R2 vector? R2 vector is in which quadrant? R2 vector किस quadrant में है? Tell me. R2 vector जो है वो किस quadrant में है? Second quadrant में. Very good. Second quadrant में x क्या होता है? Positive या negative? Tell me. In second quadrant, what is x? Positive or negative? तो common sense use करेंगे हम लोग, है ना? Right? Rectification नहीं करेंगे, common sense use करेंगे. Negative ना? So obviously, if I'm taking this angle 53 degree, so I have to take this minus R2 cos. Tell me, R2 cos 53 degree. I cap. हाँ या ना? Tell me, हाँ या ना? सबको समझ में आ रहा है कि मैंने माइनस क्यों लिया? सबको समझ में आ रहा है माइनस क्यों लिया? Yes or no? Adnan, it is minus Adnan because it is in second quadrant. Plus y क्या होता है? सर y पॉजिटिव होता है, so it is R2 sin 53 degree j cap. So this is what? This is what? Minus 10 into, tell me, 10 into 3 by 5. Adnan, very good Adnan, at least you tried. Very good. So 10 into 4 by 5 j cap, है ना? So यहाँ पे क्या होगा? It is just minus 6 I cap plus 8 j cap, ठीक है? So Adnan, तुम्हारा जो 6 था वो minus 6 हो जाएगा, ठीक है? Right? Because ये negative है ना, second quadrant में negative होता है, x negative होता है, ठीक है? Afaq? Okay, right? You just added them, क्या? So this is the R2, this is R2 vector. What is resultant? Tell me, resultant is what? Resultant is R1 vector plus R2 vector. हाँ या ना? So can you do it? Can you do it? Don't you think so? It will become what? Minus 6 plus 4 will become minus 2 I cap. Yes or no? Tell me. And 8 plus 3 will become 11 j cap. Easy है, सबको समझ में आ गया? अफाक, गलती चेक कर ली तुमने? Very good Krish, very good Renuka, right? Very good everyone. Check your steps, check your mistake, है ना? I guess now everyone can calculate the mistake. Yes or no? है ना? पता चल गया होगा कि गलती कहाँ पे किस स्टेप में गलती हुई है, राइट? यस और नो? टेल मी यस और नो. संपदा, क्रिश, यस टेरेंस, है ना? सो ध्यान देना, अगर मैं बोलूं अगर वो थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट होता, टेल मी, थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट होता, सपोज दिस इज थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट एंड दिस इज सपोज 30 डिग्री, तो मैं क्या लेता? टेल मी. देन व्हाट आई वुड हैव टेकन इन थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट? व्हाट इज x, व्हाट इज y? दोनों नेगेटिव. वेरी गुड संपदा, वेरी गुड, है ना? बट एंगल देखना, एंगल शुड बी द स्मॉलर वन, एंगल शुड बी द स्मॉलर वन, ठीक है? ठीक है, डन, क्लियर, राइट? ओके, वेरी गुड. तो ये कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर हो गया? आई गेस दिस कॉन्सेप्ट इज क्लियर. रेज योर हैंड, दिस कॉन्सेप्ट इज क्लियर. ठीक है, राइट? ओके, चलो, वेरी गुड. सो अभी हमारा ये भी खत्म हो गया है, ठीक है? हमारा ये भी खत्म हो गया है. सो नो 3 and नो ना संपिता, राइट? सी यहाँ पे ये, ओके, सॉरी, ये दोनों भी दिए गिवन है क्या? माय बैड, राइट? यस, आई डिडंट सी दैट, राइट? माय बैड. ओके, 3 and 5 and 18 also there ना? माय बैड, ठीक है, राइट? वेरी गुड, right? Yes, Pragna, very good Samprita, very good, right? I actually didn't see this 3 and 8 and so see R3 vector, again R3 vector is what? Suppose this is R3 vector, so it is in x-axis, so it is what? 8 I cap, है ना? 8 I cap, just कुछ नहीं करना because it is already in x-axis. And what about R4 vector? Tell me, R4 vector is, now R4 is negative y-axis, हाँ है ना? It is minus 3 j cap. ठीक है, I completely like I didn't even see this 8n and 3n. ठीक है, so it is plus R3 vector, है ना? Very good, sorry, minus R4 vector, right? ठीक है, चलो, तो क्या था? ये क्या था? minus 2 I cap plus 11 j cap plus 8 I cap minus 3 j cap, right? Okay, इसीलिए तुम लोग का आंसर आया था ना, 6 I cap plus 8 j cap. right? Very good. Sorry guys, apologies, I didn't see 3 and 8 and ठीक है, right? हाँ ठीक है, very good अफाक, ठीक है, okay. So anyways, you got the concept now. I just thought this 5 and 10 नीचे वाला मैंने देखा ही नहीं ठीक है, चलो सबको समझ में आ गया, ये सबको समझ में आ गया, yes or no? अगर कितना भी और भी वेक्टर है, if there's more vector है ना, now don't you think so this is the easy way to add? Tell me, this is the easy way to add. If I'm giving 2 vector, 3 vector, 10 vector, just resolve in component और add up करते जाओ, x को x के साथ, y को y के साथ, z को z के साथ, ठीक है, done, very good Afaq, done everyone. Yeah, so I was saying we are done with this. So checkpoint 2.2 you can solve, है ना, checkpoint 2.2 you can solve. So this is practice वाला, अभी मॉड्यूल नहीं कर रहे हम लोग, मॉड्यूल से पहले ये वार्म अप है जो कि इजी क्वेश्चंस है इसमें, है ना, राइट? देन आफ्टर डूइंग दिस ये मॉड्यूल वुड बी इजी, ठीक है, इट विल टेक हाफ एन आवर, इसके बाद मॉड्यूल सॉल्व होगा तो इजी लगेगा, ठीक है, राइट? Right everyone? Now we are only left with one topic, only one concept in vectors, ठीक है, उसके बाद हमारा पूरा vectors खत्म हो जाएगा, ठीक है, right? उसके बाद पूरा vectors खत्म हो जाएगा, so that is only one topic, so we will finish that topic today, ठीक है, right? Okay, so let us see the next topic. This is clear guys, this is clear, सबको समझ में आ गया?